Hey there, budget savvy viewer. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're on a mission to supercharge your savings and help you unlock the path to financial freedom. Get ready for a treasure trove of money saving tips and hacks that will change the way you manage your finances. Chapter 1: The Money Saving Mindset. Before we dive into the tips and hacks, let's start with the most crucial aspect of saving money, your mindset. Saving isn't about deprivation, it's about smart choices and financial empowerment. Begin by setting clear financial goals. What are you saving for? A dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a debt-free future? Having a goal gives your savings purpose. Chapter 2: Budgeting Brilliance. The cornerstone of effective money management is creating a budget. It's like having a roadmap for your financial journey. Start by tracking your expenses for a month to understand where your money is going. Then, create a budget that aligns with your goals and income. Chapter 3: Frugal Living Unleashed. Frugal living is a powerful way to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. It's all about making mindful choices in your everyday spending. Begin by creating a shopping list and sticking to it religiously. Impulse buying is the enemy of savings. Chapter 4: The Art of Meal Planning. Meal planning isn't just a money saver, it's a time saver too. When you plan your meals for the week, you reduce food waste and prevent last-minute takeout orders. Plus, cooking at home is often healthier and more budget-friendly than dining out. Chapter 5: Embracing Minimalism. Minimalism isn't just about having a tidy space, it's a money-saving lifestyle. Declutter your home and sell items you no longer need. Donate or recycle what you can't sell. You'll not only free up space but also earn extra cash. Chapter 6: Mastering Secondhand Shopping. Secondhand shopping is a treasure trove of savings. Explore thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces for incredible deals on clothing, furniture, and more. You'll be amazed at the quality items you can find at a fraction of the price. Chapter 7: Cashback and Coupon Mastery. In the digital age, cashback apps and coupon websites are your best friends. They reward you for your regular spending. Always check for cashback offers and coupons before making a purchase, whether online or in-store. Chapter 8: DIY Magic. DIY, do-it-yourself, projects aren't just a creative outlet, they're fantastic money-saving tools. Try your hand at home repairs, crafts, or even making your cleaning supplies. You'll save money on labor costs and discover new skills in the process. Chapter 9: Negotiating and Bill Reduction. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Call your service providers and ask for discounts on your bills, especially for things like cable, internet, or insurance. Companies often have promotions or loyalty discounts that they don't advertise openly. Chapter 10: Automate Your Savings. Make saving effortless by automating it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account each month. You won't even miss the money, and your savings will grow consistently. Chapter 11: Eliminating High-Interest Debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can erode your savings. Prioritize paying it off to stop the interest from piling up. Once you're debt-free, redirect those funds toward your savings goals. Chapter 12: Building an Emergency Fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It keeps unexpected expenses from derailing your financial goals. Chapter 13: Investing Your Savings. Once you've accumulated some savings, consider investing. Investing can make your money work even harder for you. It's a way to grow your wealth over the long term. Chapter 14: Consistency is Key. Consistency is the secret sauce to successful money saving. Stick to your budget, continue to find ways to save, and regularly review your progress. Celebrate your milestones along the way. It keeps you motivated. Chapter 15: Seek Financial Education. Last but not least, never stop learning about personal finance. Read books, follow financial blogs, and attend seminars or webinars. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed financial decisions. And there you have it, a treasure trove of money-saving tips and hacks to supercharge your savings journey. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your own money-saving tips in the comments below. Let's build a community of savvy savers together.